So I'm standing in the middle of my backyard, and I looked up and I can see the owl. Do you guys see him? He's right where my finger is, right there. I should go grab my scope, and then we'll get a better view of him. Let's move up over this way and just see if we can. You go ahead. You go first, because I get them all the time. See if we can get a clear shot of them from somewhere. Well, I called Gerald down because the owl is still here. I've moved over. We've got a better angle, but the bird's got his back to us now. Yeah, he's definitely hunting. He keeps looking down. Oh, he looked like he was gonna go. Look what we found, guys. We found the owlet, baby barred owl. We tried to circle around the mom, and I looked up and I said to Gerald, look way up there on top of the tree. That's cool, man.
Oh yeah, Gary. You can get him over here.
Okay, so Gerald's gonna try to get on this side of the mom. Even Hannah's brought her camera out. So we're just taking pictures of this one here, right up there. And then I don't know if it's the male. He's over here on the other side of us calling. So, and then we got the two owlets up above. Good day in the swamp, Gerald. It's a good day. Well,
I think he agreed with you. He just called you back.
I was gonna say other than the mosquitoes. Fuzzy.
No.
Look at the little feathers down here at the bottom, just blowing in the breeze.
I can't get mine to focus.
Okay, so Gerald kept saying there should be a second baby somewhere, and he's right. In that shot right there, guys, there are two owlets. One is right at the branch on the left, and one is sitting on the branch up in the right third quarter there. They're both hidden by leaves. Can't get a very good shot from here, but we just thought we'd show you there is two owlets there.
Oh, I'm happy.
There's one of the owlets right there. So they're actually able to kind of hop fly 6 or 8 feet at a time. Oh, there's the second one. And they're moving around. They're so cute.
Okay, I got my shot. I'm happy.
Gerald.
Thank you, sir.
Gerald, look. So it is full on mosquito attack right now. It's evening. And I came to check the big poplar tree that they were in earlier. And they've moved. So the owls have made their way 75 feet over into a completely different tree system over there. So I was pretty sure that they're not going back into the hollow where they had the nest. And I don't even know which tree that is now because they can move around and they are quite a ways from the tree they were in this afternoon when Gerald was here. So they may be here for a few days, they may be gone. I'll show you guys my hand when I talk about mosquitoes. Oh yeah, no, it's full on attack of mosquitoes right now, so. Okay, so today is June 3rd, 2024, and that right there is a Blandings turtle. And that right there is my house and Wynn's house. We get these turtles here all the time. One guy's trying to develop the swamp back there. These are protected. And he comes right out of the swamp because this is his home, eh, buddy? You better get off the road or you'll be even more endangered. That's when I need him to just turn and look at us and blink or do something. He's pretty much just sleeping right now.